back with the finale, sadly, for my rainbow series. This one has all the colors incorporated that I used along with black and white, and I did like this almost like a neon rainbow eye look with a black smoky eye. I didn't do my face makeup or anything else in this. I just focused on the eye look. I'm not sure if anybody's gonna be wearing this out. I don't know if I even would, because it's pretty out there. If you wanted to wear this, you could wear it to maybe a Halloween party, or you could wear it to like a pride parade or something like that. This is the look, and if you guys would like to see how I came up with this, please just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off with is I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm going to use this to conceal and prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow. And we're not going to set it so that when we put the black eyeshadow on, it will go on more vibrant. So I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to use the black color right here, and I'm going to use my Morphe JH32 brush, and I'm going to start packing this color in my crease. Now this is going to look crazy, but we're going to blend it out and make it look better, and we want it to be very blown out so that when we add all the colors and everything, the black will kind of go up over and like create this line around the colors. And then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild little eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use that same black color and take that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back and blend it out with the initial brush we started with. And then to help blend it even more, I'm going to use my Morphe JH30 brush and blend this out even more and wipe away any fallout from the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to add a base for the colors that we're going to put on. I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base in white. This is this Morphe JH42 brush, and it's just this tiny brush. Put that on the brush, and then I'm just going to start sketching out where the colors are going to go. And then I'm going to go in with Morphe JH39 brush, and I'm going to pat over the white base and just kind of blend it into the black by just patting it a little bit. And then of course I got some on my lid, so I'm going to use this little flat Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush and take more of the black and just cover any areas up that have white that we don't want them to be at. And I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild M421 Morphe M421 brush, and to go in with this Coastal Scents Cloud White eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this same brush for each eyeshadow. I'm just going to be wiping off the brush in between each color. So I'm just putting that on the outer corner and then putting it in the inner corner as well to brighten that area up a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the yellow in this palette, and I'm going to add that above the white. Because this palette doesn't have an orange, I'm going to go in with the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the orange in this, and then I'm going to pack that next to the yellow. And now I'm going to go in with the red right here and put that next to the orange at the very end. I'm going to go onto the lower lash line now. I'm going to use the green color right here. I'm going to put that underneath the white. I'm going to go in with this blue right here. I'm going to put that next to the green. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX palette and use the purple in here and put that next to the blue. And then to get any excess fallout away, I'm going to use my Morphe JH30 brush. And this is just a big fluffy brush with nothing on it. Now I went in on this eye and put more of the eyeshadow base down and added more to make the colors more vibrant, but now that I'm looking at them together, the one that I did that on is cracking, so I'm not going to do that to this one. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean, and I'm going to use this on my waterline, and then it kind of hides the waterline a little bit and just goes together with the whole look. Now I'm gonna just put some mascara on my eyelashes. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. So this is pretty much the completed eyes. If you were going to wear this anywhere, I would recommend doing plain nude lips, or if you wanted to go crazy, you could do like black lips or something. This is the end of my rainbow series. If you guys have any other suggestions for any like makeup series I could do, let me know. I know that I said I was going to do a pink makeup look next, but I realized that it wouldn't really make that much sense, and I wouldn't have room to put it in with this eye look really. But if you guys want like one dedicated to pink, I can do that, and any other colors that you guys might want. But yeah, please leave me suggestions for any videos. Let me know what you might want to see. I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.